Dive into the world of non-stick cookware, where more than just a slick surface matters. Non-stick pans are a culinary marvel, but they come with their own pros and cons. Now consider the material. Is it aluminum, stainless steel, or ceramic? Each has its own charm. While aluminum heats quickly, stainless steel offers durability, and ceramic pans are known for their heat retention. Next, pick a size and shape that suits your culinary needs. From skillets to sauté pans, the choice is vast. Comfort matters too. Look for a pan with a steady grip and heat-resistant oven-safe handles for safety. Maintenance is key for longevity. Clean with care, store correctly, and remember, metal utensils are a non-stick pan's nemesis. So, are you ready to make the non-stick decision? Embrace effortless cooking with confidence. Remember, the perfect pan can make your culinary journey a piece of cake. Please visit us at culinarycrossover.com.